We are now joined by our reporters who are at the ground giving us more details. We have Anbarasan from Chennai, Gautam Roy from Gangtok and Subina Roy from Assam's Tinsukia. Well, good morning. My first question to you, Anbarasan. Chennai leads with the highest number of polling stations in Tamil Nadu. Chennai will be also one of the seats will be keenly watched today. How is the polling going? Any important person out to vote as yet?
As you said in the report, all three constituency of Chennai district, we are at the central Chennai constituency at the polling booth, and Tamil Nadu around 68,000 polling booths are there, and all the people, means preparation all went on all these 15 days, and today people are very much eager to vote it actually in the morning itself due to the summer. And this polling booth, all the wheelchairs and water facility, everything is given, and also people are very much early, means 7 a.m. onwards, they are in a full line and they are putting a vote in the polling booth. And this constituency, the former Union Minister Dayaniti Maran and the BJP candidate Vinod P. Selvam, they are in contesting, and also the ADMK candidate, DMDK candidate, and also the South Chennai, the former governor of Telangana and Lieutenant Governor of Puducherry, Tamilisai Soundararajan, contesting in South Chennai constituency. There the BJP candidate Tamilisai Soundararajan and also the DMK candidate Tamilisaai Thangapandian, all are contesting. In these constituencies in Chennai, the polling is actually the urban seats, all three, so the polling will be very slow as expected in before all 19 and 14. But this time we need to see the polling, it is picking up in the afternoon and also in the morning. And also across all the 39 constituencies, voting has begun, and Edappadi K. Palanicham, the ADMK General Secretary, has voted in the Salem, his home constituency, and also Tamilisai Soundararajan voted in the Virugambakam in the Chennai constituency, and all the leaders across country also they voted, and Chennai Chief Minister had to vote, and also the BJP Chief of Tamil Nadu K. Annamalai need to vote in his home constituency. So all the preparation are started and the festival of democracy is started. We can see the fast phase of a polling across all the 100+ constituencies in across country and need to vote. And this 7 a.m. onwards, people are very much eager to vote. And particularly this polling booth, we can see all around Chindadripet, the particular polling booth where we are right now. It's a central Chennai constituency. This polling booth, all the facilities, particularly the medical facility, due to the summer climate here, the water and all these facilities are made. And particularly, we can see all the 39 constituency, including the Puducherry, the one constituency, are going for poll. And the first phase itself, all the constituencies of Tamil Nadu are going to poll on this today.
My next question to you, Gautam. Northeast, of course, holds a very important place in these elections. What is the level of excitement there? A lot of constituencies were also covered by home voting earlier. Gautam, am I audible to you?
Yes, I can hear you now. Nipaksha, I didn't get your question. What were you asking? Could you quickly repeat it?
Gautam, I said that Northeast, of course, we know is a very important, it holds a very important place in these elections. What's the level of excitement there? Home voting has already been done in a few constituencies there earlier.
Well, yes, the excitement level is quite high. We've been here since the morning. This is 27 Gangtok, which is the assembly seat. Sikkim, as you know, has only one Lok Sabha seat. So people are voting twice today, and they've been queuing up even before 7 p.m. There was a slight delay in Manan Kendra. This is the polling center that we're at right now. Let's just talk to some people as well. आप सुबह से कब से आए हुए हैं?
सुबह 7 बजे से.
आप अपने बेटे को भी लेके आए हैं?
इसका भी लेके आए हैं. इसका देखभाल करने वाला नहीं है ना, इसलिए.
अच्छा. क्या नाम है आपका?
नाम क्या है बताइए? What's your name? नाम बंदो सुनने को.
He's shy. कोई बात नहीं. तो यहाँ पे कुछ देर हो रही है अभी वोटिंग में, आपको लग रहा है?
टाइम तो सही है, मतलब 7 बजे से शुरू होने वाला था, लेकिन लगभग अभी तो शुरू हो चुका है.
Yes, it has begun now because it's past 8 a.m. But we did see because the weather has been very unpredictable the last few days here in the entire state of Sikkim, the entire region. Even Arunachal, a lot of rain is forecast for today. So people are anxious to come when there's no rain. The sky is not clear; it's very cloudy. But still, people have come in large numbers to ensure that they can vote as early as possible and then go about their day and not be caught in rain as well and stormy weather. So that's one concern that's been here. But otherwise, things are pretty smooth and we are expecting peaceful and fair polling here as well.
All right.
Vipakshi.
All right. My next question to you, Subina. A few days back, people of Tinsukia district had assembled to celebrate the biggest festival in Indian democracy, elections, and took a pledge to vote in the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. That in itself was a record. How is the polling going on now?
Yes, Vipakshi, you are right. Recently, on 10th of April, the Tinsukia constituency had created a record where 1.5 lakh voters had taken a record oath for voting. So as you can see, I am here in Vanishodhan LP School, which is in Tinsukia district, which falls under the Dibrugarh constituency, which is going for the first phase of elections polling today. So there are three candidates from here. From BJP, we have the Union Minister Sarbananda Sonowal. From AJP, from the India Bloc, we have Shri Lurinjyoti Gogoi, and from Aam Aadmi Party, we have Manoj Dhanwad. So you can see people are excited. People are queued up. They had already queued up before 5 p.m. and the votings have started from 7 a.m. and people are voting here. And in Tinsukia, there are 8 model polling stations have been set up, and there are around 96 women polling booths which have been set up. Apart from that, there are around 86 lakh eligible voters who are going for voting in these 5 constituencies in Assam today. The 5 constituencies which are going for votes are Kaziranga, Dibrugarh, Jorhat, Lakhimpur and Sonitpur. And when we talk about Dibrugarh, where I'm in Tinsukia, where there are around 16 lakh voters. And when we talk about Kaziranga, there are around 20 lakh voters. In Sonitpur, we have around 16 lakh voters. In Lakhimpur, we have around 15 lakh voters. And when we talk about the total polling stations that have been placed at these 5 constituencies, there are over 10,000 polling stations.
All right. Thank you so much, Subina, Gautam and Anbarasan, for all those updates right in the morning. And still to come on DD India News Hour.